I've searched over here and I've searched over there. Ooh, look at the time. It's been an hour. Bingo, time to get paid. Hey, what's up, app grinders? Reggie P here. Hey, how would you like to make $35 an hour just by searching Google? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $35 an hour just by searching on Google. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. Now please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, let me talk to my small YouTubers out there. Are you guys struggling to get views and subscribers to your YouTube channel? Well, today is your lucky day. Just click on the link below that says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. Now, this same tool has helped my channel grow from 20 subscribers all the way up to 289 subscribers within a month. And it can happen to your channel too. So just go ahead and click on that link below. It's absolutely free to download this tool. Again, it says my #1 recommended tool to increase views and subscribers to your YouTube channel. I also have some free giveaways in the description below. So click on that. These free giveaways will help you to increase your income also and help you to start a business and become your own boss. So click on that. Click on those links also in the description below. And finally, if you really want to make some money online and become your own boss, just click on the link that says my #1 recommended site to become your own boss. So click on that also in the link below. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a proposition I want to give you guys. So without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make $35 an hour just by searching on Google. Let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called AskWonder.com. And it says here, great research delivered fast. So ask us one question or 100, and within minutes, we'll scale up a research team to make sure you ace whatever on your plate. So what they do is they answer questions for individuals or companies, whatever they need answered. Ask Wonder does it for them. And Ask Wonder has a team of analysts. That's what they're called. They're called research analysts that do the research for the client. So that's what you're going to be. So before we go to that, let me just tell you who they work with here. They say who we work with. They work with Autodesk, HP, Bloomberg, Shell. So they work with some big top companies here. All right. Now, let's go to become an analyst. I'm going to click up here where it says click become an analyst. All right. So it says here, earn money using your brain, work when you want, expand your resume and your mind. So join our community today. Complete a 5-minute application to get started. So you just complete this application right here with your name, email address, make a password, and then you click Start Application. Only takes 5 minutes, doesn't take that long. So let's go down here and see what a person that's working with Ask Wonder, they are a research analyst. Let's see what they got to say about working with them. I love working for Wonder because it allows me to do professional, interesting, engaging work on my schedule, which as a stay-at-home mom is priceless. The pay is good, the leadership team fantastic, and I learn something new every time I sign on. Okay, let's scroll down here where it says popular research requests. Our researchers can choose from a wide variety of request types. Recommend a product or service, competitive landscaping, explain a trend or a phenomenon, gather statistics, or determine the size of a market. And this is how it works. You visit the dashboard, get started working. We assign you a request. You answer the questions, sources, and findings. Submit the work and celebrate. And also, from my research, it says it pays out through PayPal, so you got to have a PayPal. I know PayPal is available in most countries, and it pays every 2 weeks, and they pay up to $35 an hour. It used to be $25, but they went ahead and bumped up the pay. So every hour that you work, you get paid $35. So that's something else. I mean, all you're doing is searching online, and you're getting paid for every hour that you do it. So if you're interested in this site and ready to sign up and make money while you're searching on Google, again, go to askwonder.com. All right, so now you know the website you need to go to right now that will pay you $35 an hour just to search on Google. So go ahead and sign up with that site today and start searching and start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to the very end. And for doing so, let me tell you about the proposition I want to give you guys. If you guys can help me get to 300 subscribers, I'm going to reward a lucky person with free money. Now, I'm currently at 289, so I don't have that far to go. I'm only 11 subscribers away to getting to 300 subscribers. So come on, guys. Let's go ahead. If you're new, let's go ahead and subscribe. My hand is itching. I'm ready to give away this money. Go ahead and subscribe right now so I can give this money away. Now, the way you're going to be able to get this money is just by leaving a comment down below. And what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment and reward that person with $20 cold hard cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. So go ahead and leave a comment down in this video and all the other videos that's going to lead me up to my 300 subscriber milestone video. All right, that's it. That's all I have. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below. And please share this video on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has dropped, because I make videos like this on a daily basis. All right, I'm done. I'm finished. Finito. But you don't have to leave just yet. You can stay here and just watch my recommended video right here. And you can watch my most recent video right here. Or you can watch all my videos right here. after I tell you this, go get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch my videos. Peace.
And get your grind on. Go and get your grind on. Go and get your grind on. This is App Grind TV.